Hi again, Tim O'Neill from AIM Solder with another installment of our Line Down video series. Carlos from Mexico asks, we have a new component to place, a 0.4 millimeter BGA. My manufacturing manager says they've done the calculations and we need a Type 5 solder paste. The problem is I'm having trouble getting it from my distributor with high minimum order quantities and high cost. Do I have any other options? Carlos, this is a surprisingly common request and question. The industry standard Type 4 represents over 90% of the solder paste used. As a result, sourcing Type 5 can be a supply chain nightmare. But it might be good news. Stencil foils and coatings have evolved, and as a result, Type 4 solder pastes can achieve transfer efficiencies nearly indistinguishable from Type 5. Talk to your stencil vendor about foils and coatings they can offer that will improve transfer efficiency. I'm confident your Type 4 solder paste can be successful with this style of component. And the good news is, unlike Type 5, which is a high-cost, ongoing expense, stencils are a measure twice, cut once proposition. Thanks for tuning in, and see you on the next installment of AIM's Line Down.